A new legal obstacle has halted one of the most ambitious pillars of the Trump administration: the drastic downsizing of the federal government. A federal judge in California, Susan Illston, has temporarily blocked the reorganization and staff reduction plan across 21 key departments and agencies. And she did so with a clear message: the president may want reform, but he cannot do it without respecting the boundaries of the law. Since arriving at the White House, Trump has championed a smaller, more efficient government, launching what he called the Workforce Optimization Initiative. His goal: to fire employees, merge departments, and eliminate roles deemed unnecessary. However, Judge Illston, appointed under President Bill Clinton, believes this move exceeds the powers of the executive branch. In her ruling, Illston stated that the president must secure Congress's cooperation to carry out a reorganization of this magnitude, and that the offices in charge of implementing the restructuring, the Office of Personnel Management, OPM, the Office of Management and Budget, OMB, and the so-called Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE, lack the legal authority to impose these cuts. What's at stake isn't just jobs, but the balance of power within the U.S. government. The judge made it clear that the administration cannot unilaterally reshape the state. And in doing so, she's offered a moment of relief to thousands of federal workers fearful of losing their positions. The government's response was swift. Just hours after the ruling, White House attorneys filed an appeal with the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals, seeking to overturn the decision. In the meantime, the restraining order will remain in effect for at least 2 weeks. Among the agencies affected by the judicial measure are the Departments of Housing, Transportation, and the Interior, as well as OPM and DOGE. The judge also criticized the administration's legal tactics, arguing that the government can't claim plaintiffs acted too late in some cases and too early in others, just after executive orders are signed. For a coalition of labor unions, local governments, and civil society groups who brought the case to court, this ruling is a win. They argue that Trump's reorganization plan has sown chaos in agencies and disrupted essential public services. This clash between presidential authority and legal limits is likely to escalate further. On May 22, the judge will hear new arguments. But the question is already on the table: is Trump trying to redesign the government by decree? If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you next time.